Hey guys, in this video, I'll guide you through how to custom size in Canva. Alright, so let's begin with the video. Once you're logged in, you'll notice that Canva offers a variety of pre-made templates for different purposes, such as video templates, presentation templates, logos, Instagram posts, and more. But what if you need to create a design with custom dimensions that aren't available in the templates? Here's how you can do that. First, go to the top right corner of the home page and click on Create a Design. This will bring up a menu with a few suggestions like video and presentation sizes. If you hover over these options, you'll see the different dimensions available. However, to create a custom size design, you'll want to click on Custom Size. After clicking Custom Size, you'll need to enter the width and height for your design. For example, let's say you want to create a design that is 640 by 360 pixels. Make sure the unit is set to pixels, though you can change it to inches, millimeters, or centimeters if needed. After entering the dimensions, click on Create New Design. Now, you have a blank canvas that is 640 by 360 pixels, which is a landscape orientation. From here, you can start adding elements to your design. For instance, if you want to add a photo, you can drag and drop it onto the canvas. Next, you can add text by clicking on the text tool. Let's say you want to add a message like "Thank you." You can type it out, resize it, and place it wherever you like on the canvas. You can adjust the text size and position to fit perfectly with your design. If you want to change the appearance of the text, you can play around with different fonts and styles until you find one that looks great. So that's basically how to custom size in Canva. So that's for this video. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing and giving this big thumbs up, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.